of the Box 4W drone, which just comes in this lovely bag. Alright, so this is the drone, Box 4W. A little difficult, it's packed real tight. It's a little tricky to come out. Yeah, so this is the drone. Box 4W. Very big drone, but the design is very nice. Very nice indeed. Yeah, so this is the drone. It also comes with this lovely remote control. These antennas, but these antennas are basically fake, they are not real. And this is how you would hold it when you're flying the drone. This is the power on switch. This is your camera for photo and long press for video. This is your return to home button. Auto land and take off. Your speed button. And a button to turn on some lights on the drone. And you can use this knob to move the camera on the drone. Alright, and this is where you would place your phone. You just put your phone in here. Basically, I would have to drop back these antennas or turn them another way. Let's see how it works. Yeah, alright, it can work like that. That's where you put your phone and fly the drone. Quite nice, a nice design. Very nice design, and it works with 2 AA batteries. It also has GPS where you can turn on and off. So GPS would work like your return to home and for greater stability of the drone when it's in the air, in sense of keeping it at a position where you wanted to keep it. Alright, so that's the remote. It also comes with this lovely battery charger. And you get 2 batteries with it. One is in the drone already. And this is the extra one. What I'm going to show you soon is a special feature that comes up on the display when the batteries are charging, so I'll make you see that. Alright, so it also comes with 4 extra blades and a screwdriver. Alright. And you get a Box 4W manual and a Box 4W quick start. So this gives you all information. Yeah, peeps, so as I said, this is the Box 4W. And I said this is the extra battery that is in it. And this is how you would remove the battery and replace it in. But it's not in like that. Yeah, so I'll be turning it on now. Yeah. So you see those lights flashing? Yeah, so right now, at this point in time now, you definitely need a calibration with the remote. But you will see that in other videos. These are ultrasonic sensors. This is a positioning sensor, and these are lights that you would like flying in the nights. And this is the camera that can rotate at 90 degrees. 4K camera. Very nice drone. Very nice drone. Take a look at it, peeps. And oh yes, I forgot to say, and here is your micro SD card, up to 32 gig. Up to 32 gigs for video for video recording. Yeah, so this is basically a synopsis of the Box 4W. Very nice drone. And you'll be seeing me flying it in the upcoming video. And I can tell you right now it flies very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, peeps, so this is now the battery charger. And that's how it looks. And you can also charge two batteries at the same time. It's a very see that, peeps? Two batteries. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so I'm telling you, I would recommend this drone to anybody. Anybody at all. It flies very nice. And I'll say it has GPS. But as I said, in the next video, I will show you about the range. And how it flies and how it controls and everything. The return home. And all of that. And the altitude also. So, check me out in part 2. Thanks for watching.